Tough Mudder today. All right, guys, we're gonna send you out of here. Let's count it down. 5, 3, 2. All right, guys, I'll see you at the finish line. Have a great day. Make sure y'all get your free high fives on the way there. Don't forget they're free.
Been on the planet. Y'all ready for this? I said, are you ready for this? Hey, yo, man, are you ready for that? Oh, get your hands in the air for me. You know what I got for you. 10 miles of total hell designed by British Special Forces. And that was another tag on your few obstacles if you want proper challenge. Who's up for the proper challenge today? Yes, you are. And if you make it, you know we're going to take care of you. We got good people of big representing in there. I thought I saw monster representing in there. Derek all throughout the course. But most importantly, when you're bloody tired at that finish line, we got a call the second spear waiting for you to the those of you that represent properly, you're going to get that coveted Tough Mudder headband when you get to that finish line. Some of you to add to your collection. You're going to call yourself Tough Mudders for life. You get the new headband today. There you will. But you know, before you get out there, I got to talk to you. So I'm coming in the middle. And I want to feel you and I want to hear you. Right now, make some noise for me, Butters. Looking strong. Everybody see my hand right here? All right, let's team up. Everybody take a knee for me right now. Well, first time Mudders at. First time Mudders, where you at? Welcome, brother. Welcome to something we hope you remember the rest of your life. I hope it becomes a lifestyle for you, boy. You see our Legionnaires here, those are the people with the different colored headbands. These are people that I've seen. A lot of them became my friends. I hear what they're doing out there, not just in here, but out there in their community, exercising that same will, exercising the same goals, and looking out for people out there. That's what this is about for me. That's what it's coming to. I know I got my athletes in here burning up this course. I see you studs in there, all you studs into the gym and picked up the heavy things and put them back down. Yes, I have nipples of steel. There you go, baby. But what I see you guys doing in the community, that's what I'm attached to. That's what makes these things special to me. And then I see you coming here, helping out people. This gentleman out there on that course right now, paraplegic, he's in a wheelchair. Tim Morris out there with his team. He's doing that thing that I see where they overcome their own challenges and they turn around and get the hand up.